Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to kick someone from your private Roblox server. First, open Roblox on your computer or device and log into your account. Once you are logged in, go to the game where your private server is. You can do this by typing the game name in the search bar at the top of the screen or by finding it in your favorites or recently played list. Click on the game to open its main page. Scroll down until you see the section for private servers. Find your server in the list. It should have the name you gave it when you created it. Next to the server name, there will be a button that says Configure. Click on it to open the settings for your private server. Inside the server settings, you will see the list of players who have access to your server. Look for the player you want to remove. This will usually show their Roblox username. Once you find them, there will be an option to remove or disallow them from the server. Click on that option. After you remove them, make sure you save the changes. If you do not save, the player will still have access. Once the changes are saved, the player will no longer be able to join your private server. You can use these same steps anytime you want to manage who can join your server. Thanks for watching.